Yes, welcome back, guys. You're welcome to Global Gift TV. Today's video, I'll be showing you the difference between quillbot and chatgpt. Okay, most of you have been hearing about quillbot. Most of you are familiar with this channel. You have heard me talking about chatgpt, but I'm going to show you the difference and how you can use to make money yourself. And quillbot, they have their premium, which one that you can buy, but I can show you how to use chatgpt to do everything you can do on quillbot. Okay, if you're into this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, and like this video and comment below and drop a nice comment in this video, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so that this can notify you anytime I post a new video. And subscribing to this channel is also free. You're not charging any fee for subscribing. Just hit on the red button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this YouTube channel, we post video daily on how to make money every day for ourselves. Okay, yes, you go to quillbot. Yeah, this is the quillbot here. Okay, this is the quillbot. It can be used to paraphrase any words, any English. You can use to correct grammars. Are you seeing a quillbot? One click to scan and write. Okay, and correct any grammar, spelling, punctuation, or misuse, or can correct any sentences. Okay, can correct any sentences. You can also use text summarizer. You can also summarize text. You can also paraphrase any words. Okay, checking the quillbot here. Let's check grammar checker. Let's use a grammar for the quillbot. And the quillbot, they have a premium version, which one you have to pay for it, but here I want to show you you're not paying for anything. Okay, you're not paying for anything. It's very simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, to do the grammar checker, you have to pay. You have to pay for the premium. Are you seeing a quillbot premium? You have to buy the quillbot premium to access the grammar checker. But you can use chatgpt to do it, and to give us correct answer. Okay, let's go to our chatgpt here. Okay, this is here. You go to chat.openai to create a new account for yourself. You can also check some of my videos on how to create an account on chatgpt. Okay, close our browser again. Yes. Okay, let's go back and search for chatgpt. Okay, logging to our own account now. Okay, let's check some grammatical words, maybe they are correct or not. Please, is this word, is these sentences correct? You're asking the bot, is it correct? Okay, put something like, didn't you? Okay, just in English. Okay, that's right. Didn't you go to school? I want to check if it's correct or it is wrong. Okay, a sentence, didn't you is a grammatical correct. It is a question in the past tense, okay, that asks if person being addressed did not go to school, okay. That means the English is correct, okay. It is correct. Let's ask a question like this. You can also use ChatGPT to ask to correct a question or to even check maybe a grammatical word is correct. Maybe it is antonym or any word. You can use to check it, any word, maybe it is correct or not, okay. You can use it to solve. You can also use it for synonyms, parable, anything, any English figure of speech, part of speech, anything you can use for it, okay. Let's check a sentence again. Please, is this sentences correct? I came for me, okay. I came for me. He went out. Came for him, but he went, okay, he went out. Let's check if this English is correct. I came for me, okay. We are using me, okay. Let's see, maybe this will give us the correct answer, okay. Okay, you have to launch it again so that it can give us answer, okay. Please, is this sentences correct? Okay, I came for me. Okay, let's see this now. Let's see if it's correct or not. Okay, sentences I came for me is grammatically correct, okay. I thought this is wrong, but it said it's correct. What will be correct is in English term, I don't know. Okay, it said it's correct. You just have to show us examples of everything here, okay. Just try to show us example here. Okay, let's ask. Okay, you can use it to write, to check any grammar, maybe it's correct or not, okay. Okay, let's go back to our browser. Let's do keyword paraphrasing, okay. Let's search for five ways to prevent teenage pregnancy, okay. Let's go to a site and copy their blog post, okay, to check on our chatgpt. Okay, let's do it, okay. Let's copy everything there. Okay, they are not allowing us to copy it. Okay, it is now copying. Okay, let's try and wait now. Okay, let's try again. It is copying now, okay. Yes, let's check the, okay, I want to check the, let's paraphrase the word, okay. I want to paraphrase it, like changing the meaning, summarizing it, okay. Let's go back to our quillbot. Okay, go back to our quillbot here. Okay, here you see grammar checker. Okay, let's use it to check grammar. You can use it to check text summaries. This is what you are looking for here, okay. You click there. you put the word there. I'm going to put the word there. Okay. Yes, I'm going to paste the word here. I'm going to paste the text here. Okay, you paste it there and click on summarize. Okay, let's check our summarized. Okay, like it's not summarizing. Okay, but let's go to our chatgpt to summarize it for us. They have limits of what you can paraphrase here. Okay, you can summarize here. Okay, let's go to chatgpt to summarize the word. What quillbot can do, chatgpt can do better than it. Okay, come back to our chatgpt here. Okay, let's put please. Okay, please summarize this. Please summarize this. You paste it there and click on send. Okay, let's see how it's going to summarize that. We see it will help us to summarize everything. Yes, this one is adolescent pregnancy is a significant. Okay, let's check the beginning here. We start with, okay, let's do it again. Please summarize this. Okay, and you paste your word, you paste it to the browser there. Here from the beginning here is saying please summarize this. Okay, adolescent has been declined. Okay, let's see the word start is in here. Okay, adolescent pregnancy is a significant public health issue. He has summarized everything for us and he has paraphrased everything. I have summarized, this one is summarized. I have summarized everything for us. Okay, I have summarized everything for us in a short term. Don't know what is summarized. Okay, you can check on the cyber and check summarize. Summarize means making things very easy. Like, let's say you read a storybook or a novel and they ask you to do the summarize, just to summarize everything you read about the book or about the novel. You have to tell them the simple, maybe like in a front page or any way you can make it short. Tell them everything you have learned from the book. That is it. That's what I need from it. Okay, you can let's use it to paraphrase the word. Okay, please. Okay, say please paraphrase this word. Okay, paste it there, and it's also paraphrase the word given to it. Okay, the other one is adolescent song, but this one is very different. It is very short. Okay, paraphrase and summarize means the same thing. Okay, it means the same thing. Okay, is it here? These are all the word there, but it's going to give us everything in short, just in a small details. Okay, you can go on and read it. Okay, you can go on and read it yourself. Let's go back to our quillbot. Okay, to buy the quillbot premium you have to pay, but using chatgpt you don't have to pay anything. You are using it for free. Okay, the other one we paste the letters there, but it not generate anything for us. it's just not doing anything. Okay, which ChatGPT can do everything for you without no stress. Okay, let's try it now. This is 234 words. Okay, these are the keywords there. I want to summarize everything for us. Let's see. Okay, have you seen now? This one summarize everything in short for us. Have you seen? This is the, we copied like almost 3 to almost 3 to 10 pages. We copied. Cancel. Okay, this is it. We just short everything for us. Okay, consent is a major public, everything just in a short words. Okay, it just help us to summarize everything, just to make everything simple for us. Okay, which you are using this quillbot to be paying you. Quillbot, it will be charging you for premium app, which you can use ChatGPT to do. You can also check plagiarism checker. Okay, to check some words, maybe they are not correct or not. Okay, you can use it to check many things, but using it along the line, I ask you to pay any fee. That's why you can use ChatGPT to do everything you want to do. Okay, if you like this video, kindly like this video and comment below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because it is free. Okay, see you in my next video.